Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. Today I'm checking out this Alyattes headlight headlamp here. So that thing has got a bunch of lights on it. We got, looks like a main one in the middle there and 4 little booster ones on the side. Okay, it comes with these the 18,650 batteries. These are really popular for powering a lot of different things here. And they put out a decent amount of power as well as lasting a long time. I don't know how many mega amp hours I forget on these. So 1800 mega amp hours on the 3.7 volts here. So just take this little portion off here, and that's just right here on the back. It's got this rubberized thing that comes off of there. Simply press your batteries into there. There's one and there's other, and then our little soft thing goes right back on the back there. That's just going to connect right there. Okay, so we have these nice straps here. It goes on the head, and then we have this little button on top. So first one is one. Press it again, you got all the 4 on the sides. Press it again, and you got all 5. And then you got a strobing one, and then off. So decently bright here. Let's check this out here. Okay, pretty comfortable on the forehead there. This is adjustable as well, obviously. This clicks up and down. Okay, so decent amount of light. Pretty bright. I'll hit my switch there. So yeah, actually fairly lightweight. Feel comfortable and puts out a decent amount of light there. Easy to turn it on and off. The 4 modes are pretty cool there. This is quite comfortable. It's got a nice foam here on the forehead. And then these straps are all adjustable too if you want to make it tighter or looser. Let's take it outside in the dark and show you guys how much light it's putting out there. All right, friends, here we are in the backyard. And there we are. There's the first one. Reaches out. You can see my backyard here pretty well in the dark. You can see it puts out a nice little amount of light there. Let's click it again. There is with just the 4 on the side. And here we go with all of them. So easy to see if you're riding your bike or something outside. You're going to be able to see nicely in the dark here, and other people are going to be able to see you as well. And then also if you want to really get noticed, you can do the strobe one. So puts out a decent amount of light. It's nice and lightweight and comfortable. The button is easy to press. It's pretty much just waterproof. It has a little charger in the back too. You can just charge your batteries by plugging it into a USB. Anyways, nice little light here, my friends. Thanks for watching this quick review. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Okay, real quick. There's a little light on the back here. So when you turn that, that's also showing a little red light in the back. So whether you're riding a bike or a little e-scooter or something like that, it's going to allow people to be able to see you. Also the little charging plug, and right there in the bottom has USB-C and USB-A. Just plug that in and you can charge it up. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.